Good morning, children. All of you, please open your English conversation book to page number 14. Today we will study the 7th chapter, that is Books and Stationery Day. Now, children, in this chapter, we are going to study Books and Stationery Day. Books means kitab and stationery means all the study materials which you use like pencil, pen, eraser, scale. All these are what, children? Stationery, isn't it so? You go to stationery shop to purchase stationery things. आप जो है स्टेशनरी शॉप पे जाते हैं स्टेशनरी के सामान खरीदने के लिए. तो स्टेशनरी का सामान में चिल्ड्रन क्या क्या आता है आपको? पेंसिल आता है, रबड़, स्केल, crayons. All these come under stationery. Okay, children? So here we will come to know how a class or some students are celebrating Stationery Day. Okay, our new session has started. I have to buy a new book. My mother is very busy these days. I have to ask my father to accompany me to the school's bookstore. I do not like to read from old textbooks. Now, children, in this chapter, somebody is there who is telling that my new session has started. That is, my new class has started. I have gone to in another class. So I want new book. It is obvious, children, that when your new class begins, what do you want? You want your everything should be new. You want your every stationery thing should be new, isn't it so? So here a girl is there or a boy is there who is telling that my new session has started and I want new books. He or she is also telling that he does not want to study from the old books. He wants to study from the new books. And my mother is very busy these days. Might have mother some work, so mother can't help her daughter or son. So this girl or boy, she is taking help of her father. She is telling to her father that, father, please come to me where there is a bookstore and purchase all my books and copies. Got it? How many pages are there in your English book? There are 52 pages in my English book. Now, children, if somebody will ask you how many pages are there in your English book, then simply you can turn at the back, at the last, and you can see the number written, and you can say that there are 52 pages in my English book. Okay? Where do you go? I went to the market to buy stationery. Where do you go? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where do you go? Where did you go? I went to the market to buy stationery. हम बाजार गए थे अपना स्टेशनरी खरीदने. What all did you buy? तुमने क्या खरीदा? What all did you buy? I bought a notebook, 1 dozen pencil and 6 erasers. Now, children, here the boy or a girl is asking, I bought a notebook. I bought a notebook, 1 dozen pencil and 6 erasers. 1 dozen pencils mean, children, 1 dozen pencil means 12 pencils. एक दर्जन पेंसिल का मतलब होता है 1 dozen pencil means 12 pieces of pencil. Got it, all of you? Where is your maths book? It is torn. I have to buy a new one. Now, children, somebody is asking that where is your maths book? Maths की book कहाँ है? Where is the maths book? So the boy or a girl is asking that it is torn and I have to buy a new one. Okay, children, this is the conversation between two persons. So children, you should also learn how to speak in English, how to talk in English, how you will make conversation among your each other, taking the help from this conversation book. Okay children, have a good day now. Bye bye.